Hi, grade 2. I'm Miss Iman Sayed from Learn with Teacher Iman channel. Today it will be the first unit in second term in your book Contact Plus. But before I will go to our unit today, I would like to say don't forget to share, like, subscribe to my channel. I would like to say that I started grade 2. I started last two videos. I started I started the first unit in Discover, first chapter in Discover, and first unit in Connect. Today, it will be the first unit in your book, Connect Plus. Let's go to our lesson today. Our lesson today is about what? Is about where is it from? So here when we ask about where, when I use where here to ask about place, as we know during our lessons, during we know the keywords questions, we say where, ask about place. So here I ask about places. Let's go to know more about this topic in this unit. Okay. Let's learn together about this unit. Here we have some vocab. Let's learn it together. Here we talk about farm animals, like what we here we have chicken, dog, goat, horse, and cow. I will repeat and repeat after me. Chicken. I would like to get paper and pencil and write this word with me to keep it, because it's important to keep the words. Okay, chicken, duck, goat, horse, cow, sheep, fish, donkey, rabbit. I will repeat it after me. Chicken. Here we have chicken, duck, goat, horse, cow, sheep, fish, donkey, rabbit. I will repeat after me. Chicken, duck, goat, horse, cow, sheep, fish, donkey, and rabbit. I will go to another part here in this unit. Here we talk about animals, and this is called animal parts. Animal parts like what? Every animal has the parts in, like feathers, like wings, like tail, like beak. So this called what? This called animal body parts. We must know it. Beak, wings, feathers, and tail. I will go to another item here in this unit. Here we went on a school trip yesterday. So as we know here, in this part, we use which tense we use it here. We use the past simple tense. Why I use here the past simple tense? Because I narrated. So as we told you before, that the past simple tense used when we expressing the action happened and ended in the past. So when I go to school and I narrate to my classmates or to my friends about what I do yesterday. So I can go and I can meet my friends or my classmates in school and say, yesterday I went to my grandparents and played with my cousins, and we go to the park, and we went to the park and ate some desserts and sandwiches and so on. So here we talk about what? We talk about the action happened in the past and ended. Okay, so here in this part we use the past simple tense, as we told you before. Here went. So here went is the past of what? Of go. So we say we went on a school trip yesterday. Did you go to a museum? So here I ask with did. Why? Because I talk about the past. So I use did here. No, we didn't. We went to a farm, as we told you before that when I use did, I put the verb in the steam verb. Some of you saying, Miss Iman, we explained before that did, when I put did or does any verb that adding s or put it in the past, when I ask with did or does, I put the verb in the steam verb or the infinitive form. This is the rule in English. Must know it. Must we know. Okay. Did you go to the museum? No, we didn't. We went on a farm to learn about animals. That sounds fun. Yes, it was. We saw horses, sheep, cows, and ducks. It was very interesting. As we told you before that we talk about the adjectives ing form and the adjectives ing form and adjective ed form. This called adjective ing form used for what? For things. We have adjectives ing form used for things, and we have also adjectives ended with ed used for what? For persons. Okay, for persons. I think this year you can took this. You can took it. You can took this rule next year in grade 3, not in this year. But I give you a bit about it. Here we have interesting used used for the ing used for things and ed for persons, as we know before. Okay, grade 2. I think now we know, it's clear to know this. Okay, let's go to another item here in this part, in this unit. Look, read, and write. It's small, so here we give you a puzzle and making you guess which animal have we talked. Okay, it's small. It's got wings and feathers. It likes water. So can you guess with me which animal it is? It's a duck. You can guess with me, it's duck. Here we have, it's small. It has 4 short legs. It has long ears. It would be what? It would be here rabbit. Without thinking, it will be rabbit. You are clever pupils. I think you answer with me. It's big. It has 4 legs. It eats grass. It will be what? It will be. It's a cow. Okay, it's a cow here. Let's go to another one here. Let's go to another item here in this part. Here we have. It's small. It lives in water. It swims. It doesn't have arms or legs. It will be what? It will be here. It will be fish. Okay. Let's go to another item here in this part. Let's go to another item. As we told you, I explained during the lesson, I explained the past simple tense. Today, we'll give you the past simple tense. As we told you before, that when we use the past simple tense, as we know, expressing action happened or started and finished in the past. You are clever pupils. In the past simple tense, we use the second form of the verb. I would like to say that we have regular verbs and irregular verbs. I would like to say for the millionth time, irregular verbs must be kept as a timetable in mathematics. We use irregular verbs in sentence in English. So we must keep the irregular verbs as the timetable in mathematics to answer any sentence comes in the past, because we have some regular verbs adding ed and others adding and other changes collected. So we must keep it to know how to write it. If you don't know, see, it will be so, you can't write it in the exam. If you can't know, go is the past of went, the past of go is, it will be went, you can't write it in the exam. If we can say I replace am and is with was, you can't write it in the exam. So we must keep the irregular verbs. Some of you saying, Miss Iman, where we find these verbs in extra books and in textbooks. You can search about it and keep it. Okay, it's not difficult to keep it. Okay, he played tennis. They visited the zoo last week. Here we have here we have regular verbs adding ed only. Here we have the verb changes collected, like what? We went on a school trip. It was very interesting. Here we use the question form by using didn't or by using did. As we know here in this example, we didn't see horses. They didn't play. Did plus subject plus the infinitive form. So did they go to a museum? So here I put did and I put the verb in the scheme form. What are the keywords of this tense? It will be yesterday, last, and ago. We have ago also. Okay, ago also is the one of the keywords of the past simple tense. Let's go to another item here in this part. and know it here. Here we have an exercise here. Let's answer this exercise together. We went, goes on a school trip yesterday. I would like to guess with me. Can I select go? It's not. Why? Because go is in present and goes in the present, but in singular. So the suitable answer to be went. Why went? Because here we have yesterday, and as we know that when I see yesterday is the keywords of what? Of the keywords of the past simple. So when we see it, you put the verb in the past form. Okay, I think now we know it. You know this rule. Okay, let's answer the next sentence. Does he go to a museum? It will be did. You are clever pupils. We sees horses, cows, and ducks. So I talk about something happened and ended. And when we say seeing, we must have am is are, as we know that the present continuous tense must be the ing form must be followed by after what? Am is are and adding ing to the verb. So it's wrong. So the answer here it will be we saw. It space an interesting trip. It was an interesting trip. A clever topic. Did you space to school yesterday? Did you go? So the answer here it will be did you go? Let's go to another one here. Here we have which one is donkey here? The donkey, this one. So I select this one by this one. Cow, this one by this one. Horse, this one by this. Horse, this one by this one. Goat, this one by this one. Okay, here we have look, listen, and circle. Chicken, which one is chicken? This one. Fish, in the middle, you are clever people. Rabbit, this was the last one. Okay, let's go to another one here. It will be chicken. It will be horse. It will be sheep. I would like to say something about the plural of sheep. Sheep singular is the same as plural. You must know this rule, okay? Rabbit, to be here rabbit, okay? As we told you before, grade 2, you must keep the vocab to answer this question. If we have a message letters or unscrambled words, we must do it, but we must don't do it, but without keeping the vocab. Here we have it's a chicken or it's a duck. No, it's a duck, so I select this one. It's a horse or a donkey? No, it's a horse. It's a sheep or fish? No, it's a sheep. So I select this one. We went to a park. We went to another farm. Is it a park or farm? No, it's farm. So I select this one. Let's go to another one here. Here we say, we will go on a school trip yesterday. So it will be one to our clever pupils. It's a space, it lives in water. It lives in water, what? Fish. It has, was, and interesting, it was. It's a or an space, it's grass, cow. Here it will be, did you go? So let's answer the question below. We saw horses and cows on the farm. So I select number 1 by number B, and cows on the farm. Did you go to the museum? So I answer this to number 2 by number A. Rabbits have long ears. You are clever pupils, as we know during the lesson. A fish doesn't have what? Doesn't have arms or legs. So I select this one by this one, number 4 by number C. Here we have subject, verb, object as the rule that we know. Subject plus verb plus object. All of us saying Miss Iman is you can just use this rule in all sentences. Yes, in all sentences. But when we have a question form, I replace the verb instead of what? Instead of subject. Let's go. Let's answer this question. That's fun sound. That's to be here. That sounds fun. That sounds fun. That sounds fun. The expression it's that's fun. That sounds fun. Okay. As we note here, and I put the exclamation mark. Here this is the subject. Where is the verb? Went to. This is the subject. The verb it will be went to. We went to a farm. We went to a farm to learn. We went to a farm to learn animals. To learn. Went to farm to learn animals. To learn animals, to learn animals, okay? To learn animals. And I put full stop at the end of the sentence, okay? Let's go to another one here. That sounds fun. So correct. That sounds fun. Let's go to another one here. Here, lesson 2 and 3 about reading. I will give you an answer the activity from them, and then next class I will continue because I don't want to make the video longer. Here we talk about what animal products. We have here milk, meat, butter, eggs, wool, cheese. I will repeat and repeat after me. Milk, meat, butter, milk, meat, butter, eggs, wool, and cheese. Okay, let's go to another one. Here we have a text. Let's read it together to answer the questions below. We went to the farm to see animals. We learned about animal products. We get lots of things from animals. We get wool and milk from what? From sheep. Wool and milk from what? From sheep. We get eggs and meat from chickens. We get meat and milk from cows. We get milk and meat from goats. I will repeat and repeat and to note with me. We went to the farm to see animals. We learned about animal products. We get lots of things from animals. We get wool and milk from sheep. We get eggs and meat from chickens. We get meat and milk from cows. We get milk and meat from goats. Here, let's go to another one here. Here is the explaining of present simple tense. I will explain, and next class we answer about this. Okay. As we talk here in this part, we talk about past simple tense, and we know when we use it to express action happened in the past. Here we use the present simple tense. When we use the present simple tense, or what the usage of this tense, it will be what to express what to express two action, facts and habits. So I use a present simple tense to express facts and habits. Let's go to the form of this tense. It will be what? It will be adding s to the verb if the verb is singular, and omit the s with plural. Like what? I, we, you, they is a plural noun. When we say I get up at 6 o'clock, we get wool. So here we is a plural. So can take s. They can take s. You don't take s. So here this pronouns don't take s. The pronoun that takes s, it will be what? It will be he, she, it. Like she exercises to get fit. She drinks milk in the morning. Here we have do and does. We use do with the pronouns I, we, you, they, plural nouns. We use does with singular. I will give you the example to practice on this rule. Do we get wool from sheep? Yes, we do, or no, we don't. Does he drink milk in the morning? Yes, he does, or no, he doesn't. Okay, I will stop here in this part. Next class, I will continue. Thanks a lot. Until we meet again. Goodbye.